Hello students, in the last class we discussed the exercise 9.3 up to the 20th question. Okay, in this class we discussed the remaining questions. Okay, 21st question, find the four numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than the first term by 9 and the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. Okay, the solution we given here, they asked to find the four numbers forming what is that geometric progression in which the third term is greater than the first term by 9. It means what? The third term, okay, A3 is equals to the third term is greater than the first term by 9, that is A is the first term plus 9, okay, and another one, that is, okay, this one take it as this side, A3 minus A is equals to 9, okay, A3 is what? AR square minus A is equals to 9, and here what is common? A is common into R square minus 1 is equals to 9. Take it as a 1. And second one, and the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18, that is A2 is equals to A4 plus 18. Okay, A2 term ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, A4 term ಗಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು 18 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Okay, next A2 minus A4 is equals to 18. So A2 is what? AR minus A4 is AR cube is equals to 18. Next AR common ತೆಗೆದು AR into 1 minus AR AR ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ only R square is equals to 18. So 2 ಅಂತ consider. Next, divide 2 by 1. Equation number 2 by 1. That is AR into 1 minus R square is equals to 18. Okay, let's start with the divide number. Okay, first left side now, right? AR into 1 minus R square divided by A into R square minus 1, which is equals to 18 divided by 9. Okay, 9 ones are 9 twos. Okay, and A get cancelled, and here also this one get cancelled, and again here 1 minus R square is there, here R square minus 1 is there. Okay, minus common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 minus R square ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is minus R equals to 2, then R equals to minus 2. The common ratio is minus 2. Okay, find the four numbers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, first ನಾವು ಈಗ common ratio find it ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Next, first term one find out ಮಾಡೋದು, that is A. Okay, now put R equals to minus 2 in 1 ರಲ್ಲಿ R value substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, A into R is minus 2, R square is 4 minus 1 is equals to 9. So A into, that is 4 minus 1 is 3, that is 3A equals to 9, and A equals to 9 by 3 is 3. A is first term is 3. Now you can find the terms. A is 3 first term, and second term that multiplied by minus 2, that is 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 into minus 2, that is 6, and the third term again multiplied by minus 2 to the previous term, that is minus 2 into minus 6 is 12. Okay, and 12 into minus 2 minus 24, like that. Okay, or otherwise a is the first term, ar a into r, 3 into minus 2, that 6. Then third term ar square. Okay, a is 3 and r square is minus 2 square is 4, that is 3 to 4 is 12, like that we can find. This is the 4 terms of the this GP. Okay, this is the solution. If pth, qth and rth terms of a GP are a, b and c respectively, prove that a to the power of q minus r into b to the power of r minus p into c to the power of p minus q equals to 1. Okay, this equals to this 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, pth term, pth, qth and rth term are respectively a, b and c. That is, pth term is a, qth term is b and rth term is c. Okay, by using that we have to prove that this one. Okay, solution of that is proof under following. Now pth term is equals to a, that is, okay, pth term, that is, we have let here let a be the capital A be the first term. Why? Because here already a, small a is there. Okay, confuse that. Let capital A be the first term and capital R be the common ratio. Common ratio. Now pth term is equals to a. Okay, pth term ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, nth term ಅಂದ್ರೆ a into r to the power of n minus 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, pth term means a into r to the power of p minus 1. Okay, here capital A is the first term and capital R be the common ratio. So for this, that is capital A into capital R to the power of p minus 1 is equals to a. Okay, this is question number 1. And qth term is equals to b. Now a, capital A into r to the power of q minus 1 is equals to b. Now this is equation number 2. And rth term is equals to c is there. Rth term is capital A into capital R to the power of r minus 1 equals to c. Okay, this is equation number 3. Now LHS, what is that LHS? A power q minus r into b to the power of r minus p, c to the power of p minus q, which is equals to a is what here? A is what? A is capital A into capital R power p minus 1. Okay, just we have to substitute here in the place of a, small e. Okay, that is capital A into capital R to the power of p minus 1, again power of q minus r. Now b is what? Capital A into capital R to the power of q minus 1 whole power r minus p. Now what is c? C to the power of p minus q is there. Okay, what is c here? Capital A into capital R to the power of r minus 1 whole power p minus q. Okay, which is equals to what? Okay, here power and apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ a into b to the power of m to the power of n ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪವರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, e to the power of n into b to the power of m is there. Power n is there, ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is m into n. Okay, here in the place of m, here p minus 1 is there. In the place of n, q minus r is there. Okay, just compare that one. A, capital A power q minus 1, here a to the power of n ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is capital A power q minus r into, okay, capital R power p minus 1 into again q minus r, okay, like that, m into n. Now into again a is what? A power r minus p into r power q minus 1 into r minus p, that is a capital A into power r minus p into capital R power q minus 1 into r minus p. Next again capital A, okay, this is into capital A power p minus q into capital R power r minus 1 into p minus q, okay. Same base ಇರೋದು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. a and a ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಪವರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q into r power, okay, into r power ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, p minus 1 into q minus r plus, because r base ಏನಿದೆ ಪವರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, p minus 1 into q minus r plus q minus 1 into r minus p plus r minus 1 into p minus q, okay. Next you know plus q minus q get cancelled, minus r plus r get cancelled, minus p plus p get cancelled, that is a to the power of 0, okay. Like that here also you will get a multiplying and adding all the terms, that you will get 0, that is r power 0, that is 1. A power anything power 0 is 1 only. 1 into 1 is 1, which is equals to RHS, okay. This is the proof, okay. Once again I will explain here. A, p term is a given, p term is a and q term is b and r term is c, okay. P term is what? A into r power p minus 1, okay. Q term is a into r power q minus 1, r term is a into capital R power r minus 1, okay. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ a b c ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, okay. Here LHS of this proof, okay, LHS ದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ a ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ a ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ a ಪವರ್ q minus r, r ಪವರ್ p minus 1 into r minus q minus r, like that ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ and ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, a ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, this one you will get, and capital R, okay, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, okay. And after multiplying this bracket and this bracket and this bracket, and after adding we will get a 0, okay. After cancelling we will get a 0, so therefore a power 0 and r power 0, that is 1 into 1, that is 1, okay, equals to RHS. Next one, 23. If the first term and nth term of GP are a and b respectively, okay, and if p is the product of n terms, prove that p square equals to ab, a into b power whole power n is there, okay. First term is a and nth term is b, okay, they are already given here, and by using that we have to prove this one, p square equals to ab power n, and also they given here p is the product of n terms, okay. Now proof. Here a is the first term, a is first term, r is common ratio, and b is nth term, okay, b is a nth term. Now we can write it as b is equals to, b is a nth term, okay, a into r power n minus 1, we can write, okay, because b is a nth term. So a is the first term, r is the common ratio. So therefore b is nth term. B is equals to a into r power n minus 1 because nth term an equals to a into r power n minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ r. Okay, here nth term is b. Now p is the product of n terms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. Okay, that is here. Okay, the terms are ar square up to ar power n minus 1 are there. Okay, the product of n terms, that is p is equals to the product of n terms, that is a into ar into ar square into so on up to into ar power n minus 1. This is the product of n terms, that is equals to p is there. Okay, now separate it. A into up to n times, that is a into a up to n times, up to n terms and then okay, up to n terms into okay a r e, okay, 1 of them. Okay, 1 into r, only r, that is r into r square into r goes on up to r power n minus 1. Now a into a ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು a power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms. Okay na, because these are say multiply of these terms, that is power will be added, that is 1 plus power ella 1 is 1. Okay, like that 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms into r power here also 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to r power n minus 1 is there plus n minus 1. Okay, this is r power 1. Now a power 1 plus 1 plus up to n times means 1 and n times add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is n only, a power n, that is into r power 1 plus 2 plus up to n minus 1 is there. This is the sum ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, up to n minus 1 terms. Okay, here I will do here, that is sn minus 1 terms up to n minus 1. Here equals to n minus 1 divided sn ಇರುತ್ತೆ n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is there. In the place of n here n minus 1 is there, that is n minus 1 divided by 2. 2 into first term is a, that is 1 plus n minus 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. In the place of n here n minus 1 is there, n minus 1 minus 1 into the common ratio, sorry, ap ದಲ್ಲಿ common difference, that is 1. This is the sum of n terms in the ap. Okay, so this is equals to n minus 1 divided by 2, then we get 2 plus n minus 2. Okay, now this is n minus 1, n minus 1 divided by 2 into this 2 and 2 get cancelled, that is n. So this is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Now here r power is sum ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Now p square equals to divided by square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, that is a to the power of n into r to the power of n into n minus 1 divided by 2 square. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, now p square is equals to a power e. Okay, e power ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪವರ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is a to the power of 2n into r to the power of ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2n into n minus 1 divided by 2 is there, 2 get cancelled, therefore n into n minus 1 here. And again which is equals to here both ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ n ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು r ಪವರ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಪವರ್ n. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ n ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇದೆ ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ which is equals to a square ಅನ್ನ a into r minus r to the power of n minus 1 we can write. Okay, a square is a into a, then again this remaining term is r power n minus 1 is there, power n. Now which is equals to a into, what is this? A into r power n minus 1 is b. Okay, now from 1 it is b, so it is because from 1, so p square equals to a into b power n. This is the proof. Hence proof. Okay. Next, 24th question. Show that the ratio of sum of first n terms of a GP to the sum of terms from n plus 1th to 2nth terms is 1 by r power n ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದು? The ratio of sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms means Sn equals to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r is there. Okay, that the divided by, that is the sum of the terms from n plus 1 term to 2n power 2nth term. Okay, ಅದರದ್ದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? 1 by r to the power of n ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Okay, the sum of n terms is what? Sn equals to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, now sum of terms from n plus 1 term to 2n term, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? How many terms are there here? n plus 1th term to n 2nth term. Okay, that is n plus 1, okay, comma n plus 2, comma n plus 3 up to n plus n. Okay, this is the 2n. Okay, n plus n is 2n. That is first 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n terms. That is the up to 2n terms from n plus 1 term to n plus n term. N plus n is 2n. Okay, that's it. These are the n terms. Okay, these are the n terms. So therefore sum which is equals to what? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? a ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? a is the first term. Okay, here first term is what? n plus 1, that is n plus 1, n plus 1 into 1 minus, ratio is r, common ratio, power. How many terms? n terms, that is also r power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, ಯಾವುದರ sum of terms from n plus 1 to 2n terms. Okay, then ಇದರ ಈಗ okay, now ಇದರ ratio ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? ratio which is equals to, okay, a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r whole divided by this, that is an plus 1 into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r, which is equals to, okay, idu numerator the reciprocal agutte, that is a into 1 minus r to the power of n 1 minus r into, this is 1 minus r divided by a n plus 1 into 1 minus r to the power of n. This 1 minus r get cancelled. Here 1 minus r to the power of n, 1 minus r to the power of n get cancelled, and again which is equals to a divided by an plus 1 which is equals to a divided by an plus 1 term andre eshtagutte nodri an equals to what a into r to the power of n minus 1 is there. So in the place of n we have to substitute n plus 1. An plus 1 equals to a into r power n plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 it cancel, that is an plus 1 is equals to a to the power of a into r to the power of n. So here a into r to the power of n, a get cancelled. Okay, so this is equals to r to the power of n. So r power n. So therefore the ratio of the sum of first n terms of a GP to the sum of terms from n plus 1 term to 2n term, which is equals to 1 by r to the power of n. Okay. Next question, 27th. Go to the 27th because 25th and 26th take it as a homework. Okay. 25th, just I will give you the hint. If A, B, C and D are in GP, show that a square plus b square plus c square into the bracket a square b square plus c square plus d square is equals to in bracket ab plus bc plus cd whole square is there. We have to prove that this one. Okay. Hang ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Here A, B, C and D are in GP ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. Okay. A take it as the first term, B is the second term, C is the third term and D is the fourth term. A is first term means A only. Take it A only. B is A into R. C is AR square. D is AR cube. A into R cube. Just substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. LHS ಮತ್ತೆ RHS ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ LHS equals to RHS ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 26, insert two numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is ZP. Okay, this is also very easy. Okay, this is same as the example number 17. Okay, we done in the last class. Okay, previous class while explaining the geometric mean. Okay, I explained that question, that is insert three numbers between 1 and 256. Okay, as that this one. Okay, same ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದರ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, do that one. Okay, we'll do the 27th now. Find the value of n so that a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 whole divided by a power n plus b power n may be the geometric mean between a and b. Okay, ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. given data ಏನಿದೆ, a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 divided by a power n plus b power n which is equals to geometric mean ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಮೇ ಬಿ geometric mean ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, value of n ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ given here a power given a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 divided by a power n plus b power n which is equals to geometric mean, that is AB, root of AB. Now squaring on both sides, we get a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 divided by a power n plus b power n whole square is equals to root AB square under only AB. Now numerator divided by denominator separate square ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನ separate ಮಾಡಿ, denominator ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 whole square. ಓಕೆ, separate ಮಾಡಿ, denominator square separate ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ab into a power n plus b power n square. Now ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದೆ, a plus b whole square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನು a square that is a to the power of n plus 1 square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is 2n plus 1 into 2, that is 2n plus 2, that is 2 into n plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 into n plus 1 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, that is ಈಗ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2n plus 2 and again plus a square plus b square ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ again same, that is 2n plus 2 plus 2ab, that is 2 into a power n plus 1 into b power n plus 1, which is equals to this one. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ab into 11, which is equals to ab into again a plus b whole square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, n plus 1 ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ n plus 1 ಗೆ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ n, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ a square, that is a power n whole square, that is a power 2n multiply with power value plus b to the power of 2n, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, in the place of a here a power n is there, in the place of b here b power n is there, that is 2 a power n into b power n. Now a, which is implies that a power n 2n plus 2 plus b power 2n plus 2 plus 2 into a power n plus 1 b power n plus 1, which is equals to ab na in bracket alge multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ a b into a to the power of 2n. okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ base a into a power 2n is there, here power 1 is there, a power 2n plus 1 into b. okay, a b ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ each and every term ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. okay, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a into 2 to the power n plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಳಿತು. okay, next ಇದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ a ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿತು plus a into again b to the power of 2n plus 1. okay, b and b same ಇದೆ power. okay, b same ಇದೆ power 1 plus 2n, that is 2n plus 1, again plus a b ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, a ಪವರ್ 1 ಇದೆ b ಪವರ್ n ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ n is there, a ಪವರ್ n plus 1 b ಪವರ್ n plus 1, that is 2 into a power n plus 1 into b power n plus 1. okay, ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್. okay, term cancel ಆಯ್ತು. okay, now remaining term is a power 2n plus 2 plus b power 2n plus 2, which is equals to a power 2n plus 1 into b plus a into b power 2n plus 1. okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ a power 2n plus 2 minus a power 2n plus 1 into b, which is equals to e term na ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ, that is a into b power 2n plus 1 minus b to the power of 2n plus 2. now a power 2n plus 1 ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. okay, a power 2n plus 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, a power 2n plus 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a power 2n plus 2 divided by a power 2n plus 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a power 2n plus 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಾಗೆ. okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a power 2n plus 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ divided by a power 2n plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. okay, a power 2n plus 2 divided by a power 2n plus 1 ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, equals to 2n plus 2 minus 2n minus 1, 2 get cancel, 2 minus 1 is 1 only, that is we get only a. okay, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ only a minus only b. okay, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. here again b power 2n plus 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ okay into a ಉಳಿತು minus here b ಉಳಿತು. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 2a plus 1 ಅದೇ 2a plus b ಅದೇ. okay, 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು a ಉಳಿತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 a to the power of 2n plus 1 ಎರಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a to the power of 2n plus 1 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ a to the power of 2n plus 1. okay, otherwise we can write it as a power 2n plus 1 into a. okay, I will write here once again here this one, write as a power 2n plus 1 into a ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? a power 2n plus 1 into a power 1 ಇದೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು minus a power 2n plus 1 into b which is equals to a into b power 2n plus 1. Again I will write it as 2n plus 1 into b. Now a to the power of 2n plus 1 common ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಉಳಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus b ಉಳಿತು which is equals to b to the power of n 2n plus 1 common ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Okay, then a minus b ಉಳಿತು. Okay, now a minus b get cancelled. b to the power of 2n plus 1 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2n plus 1 divided by b to the power of 2n plus 1 which is equals to 1 only. Okay, now which implies that power same ಇದೆ ಎರಡು ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು a by b power 2n plus 1 which is equals to 1. Okay, ಈ one ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು which is equals to a by b power 0 ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? Okay, in the place of 1 we can write a by b power 0. Now equating the powers of a by b, that is equating powers of a by b, now we get which is implies that 2n plus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore n equals to minus 1 by 2 will get. Okay, 2n plus 1 is equals to 0, then n equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the answer.